Hello from Best Choice Technologies, Leica Geosystems. Today we'll see how to do resection on the new Leica ICV70. So this is the default screen as I have already told you in my earlier videos. So you see all your application on the main screen itself. You can see an icon called as setup here. You can access the setup directly from the main screen, or you can go to survey and as built, and from there also you can access the setup option. So today I'll show you how to do resection on this machine. Press the setup icon. You'll see this page here. Go to the coordinate section and you will see anywhere. So here it is also called as anywhere. The same is called as resection or free station. So click on this option. Level the machine. Click on next. You can put your desired instrument height. Select the station point as control point here. You can select the reflector height also, which is the prism height. Then click on the next button here. So for resection I have to select my first point. I can select it from the graphical screen here. I can select the points here, or traditionally I can select it from the list by clicking on this button. By clicking on this button, this is the job button here. You can select on this button. Click on OK and you will see all the list of your points. I can select the point from here. So for example, I am selecting the first point as my for this resection. You can see the point has been selected here. It turns blue and you can see the coordinates here. This is the point ID. Now I'll have to measure the point. Click on measure and record. The point has been stored. It is asking me now to select the second point. Okay, I'll show you how. I'm clicking the point from the graphical screen itself. I'll select point number 3. I click on measure and record. You can see the coordinates of the point. The point has been stored. Now you can see a small tick here, and you can also see a green sign here. So if you want to take more points for the resection, you can repeat the procedure. You can select the points from the graphical screen here, or from the list here, and you can add more points, or you can click on OK and it will set up the machine. This green button here shows you the accuracy of the 2 points that I have taken here. You can see the accuracy here, the height inaccuracy and the plane inaccuracy here. I click on the OK button. It is giving me a message now saying that the station setup has been finished. Once you click on OK, you can go to the survey and as built application here, and now you can continue with your survey work. This is how you do the resection, or you can say anywhere or free station, on the new Leica ICV70. Thank you so much from Best Choice Technologies, Leica Geosystems.